Angelina, say hello. It's your book time, huh? Okay, story time. But it goes in my mouth, huh? Say it goes in my mouth. Yeah. Does it taste good? Book. Soaking up all that knowledge. Why don't you read the book? Here you go, let's read the book. Ready? Read. There you go. Wow. 1 and 2. What's the next page say? What's the next page say? You gotta turn it. You gotta turn it. There you go. You gotta turn it. Ready? Ready? Oh, we stopped on 3. 3 duckies. That book tastes good, huh? Do you want your bunny, boo-boo? Say, I like my bunny. It's my buddy. Yeah. Don't stick it all the way back there like you've been doing. Are you chewing on her hand? Are you chewing on her hand? Yeah. Really? Really? Wow. What about this toy? I think this toy's still too heavy for you, huh? Oh, my bad. You're still on your bunny. Got him. Wood, 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 wood. Wood, 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 wood. Hello. Hello, Angelina. Hi. Hey. You want him? You want him too? He's still a little heavy, huh? Yeah, still a little heavy, huh? Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. I'm gonna go on my chewing rampage, huh? Yeah, you guys say bye-bye. There you go, say bye-bye. You can say it. Say bye-bye. Angelina, get your hand at your mom. Say bye-bye. No? Say bye-bye. Really? Okay, I take that as a bye-bye. Are you sure? Really? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're getting sleepy. Time to take a nap? Time to take a nap, boo-boo? Yeah, we're getting sleepy. Say night-night. Bye-bye. Really? What was that all about? Yeah? Yeah? So what else are you gonna do today? Yeah, I know you get sleepy, boo-boo.